Sometimes Windows will claim you don't have an application that can open a file, even if one is already installed. So if you're having the same error, get these error fixes with our guide. First up, ensure you have an application installed that can open up such files. Just navigate to the file that is displaying this error when you open it. Right-click down the file, select Properties, then navigate to General tab. Look for the file format next to Type of File, then use the appropriate application. Right-click the file, choose Open With, choose another application, and Windows will suggest you select it to open the file. Moreover, set the default application for the file type. Just right-click on the targeted file, choose Open With, click Choose Another Application, choose the app you want to set as a default option, and click on this checkbox, then click OK. Now if the error still shows, update the problematic application by opening Apps and Features, go to the problematic app, select More Options, choose Advanced Options, scroll down, and select Repair or Reset the application. And those are the following fixes in this Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.